Hello, what's up, Dogecoin holders? How are you? Hope you have a good day, my friends. Once again, we are talking about the Dogecoin. My friends, the people ask me questions about Dogecoin. That is the price of Dogecoin increase in the June. When the price of Dogecoin is going to increase, my friends. So in this video, I answer your question. Keep watch this video till the end. And if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button. Also like this video, my friends. Hope you all subscribe my channel. My friends, first of all, if you look the latest price of Dogecoin, so at this time price is very low. And you know what, my friends, in the previous month, in the May month, the people target for a Dogecoin to $1. The people dreams $1 for a Dogecoin, but now the currently situation is again going to zero. 0.310115 USD dollar is the currently price of Dogecoin. Absolutely, my friends, the price of Dogecoin is very badly affected by the previous month. And now if you look the price changes of the Dogecoin, so only, my friends, and in this time the last hour price is positive, except not the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, last 1 weekend changes is going to negative, my friend. Completely fast and occurring in the Dogecoin from the previous last 1 month. I don't know why the price falls down, but it is time completely Dogecoin holders. You know what? In a previous month, when the Dogecoin start a quick jump, so a lot of people buy a Dogecoin. But unfortunately, after some passage of jump, the price is very petty fast. I mean, you can see here now from the chart, my friends, that is clear for everyone. That is the last 1 month price chart of the Dogecoin, and from the last 1 month, the price of Dogecoin is completely falls down. Completely, my friends. Absolutely, that's a big loss of all Dogecoin holders, my friends. But now the currently my prediction is that about Dogecoin, that maybe, my friends, we can't say about the future, but there is a chance that the price will pump in June. That is my personal prediction. Maybe the price will pump in the June month. That is my personal prediction. What is your opinion and what is your prediction about Dogecoin? Please tell me in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe AVS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.